Okay, so today we'll be opening up these 3 used Supertech oil filters. And all 3 of these filters have the number ST4967. And I got these used oil filters from a very generous viewer whose name is Lucas from Flint, Michigan. Thanks, Lucas. Filter number 1 was in service for 2.5 months, 5,431 miles. Filter number 2 was in service for 4 months, 5,123 miles. And filter number 3 was in service for 4 months, 4,111 miles. These oil filters came off his daughter's car. Her name is Anna, and her car is a 2009 Pontiac Vibe. Yep, the one with a 2.4 liter engine, which now has 179,053 miles. She was using Valvoline Restore and Protect 5W20 oil during this period. The car was burning a quart of oil every 800 to 900 miles, but now after 3 oil change intervals has gotten a little better, burning a quart every 1200 to 1300 miles. So let's get started. You gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight, get your end here, filtration. Okay, Lucas included this box when he sent these 3 oil filters. So we'll take a look at this box. 10,000 miles, made in USA. I like this, with 75% or more US parts, factory certified. And here's what some filters that it crosses over to. And if we look over here, you got 99% efficiency rating. And it's right here, it's at rating based on removing particles greater than 30 microns. And that's a synthetic blend media. But they don't have the bypass valve on here, so I don't know what that is. But yeah, it's got some information on the box. Okay, now the filter. Let's look at the date code. You know, I'm going to put all 3 date codes of these filters up on the screen. It'll be up in that corner right there. So this one's 090624AB. Product of USA. This is a sticker. And this filter has 13 inlet holes, nylon center core, bypass valve down below its dome end, 4 grooves there for thread, and a nitro over gasket. Now I'll put the thickness of this gasket up on the screen. Okay, and let's open this filter up. I don't think I'm going to open all 3 filters on screen on the video, but okay, a little bit of oil there. Put that to the side. Hey, oil's pretty dark. Okay, but I don't see no sludging or anything going on. And drain back valve, nitro rubber. Don't see no slits or tears. That's good. How does it fit over this? Fits over the inlet holes nice. Okay. Filter element. That's just full of oil. Metal end caps. Pretty clean. I don't see no excess glue on them. Right, here's a glued seam. And I'll put the number of pleats on the screen. Okay, so I don't see no tears in the filter media itself. Oh, it all looks good. Yeah, it looks good. Bypass valve. Like I said, I couldn't find a setting for this. And the can. Yeah, it looks kind of dark. All right, let me put the measurements of this can up on the screen. I don't see any sludging though, or anything, any carbon buildup or anything like that. So that's good. Let's get the width of this filter. 1.97 minus 1/10 of an inch for the end caps. So what I'll do is I'll cut this one open. Well, actually, I'll cut these two open, but if there's nothing wrong with them, if they look just like this one, I'm not going to bother, you know, going through all the details, because they're all identical. So, okay, I decided to show these filters opened up in case you want to see how dark, how dirty it is inside. Okay, this is filter number 2. Here's the base plate. Looks okay. Just gonna go over this kind of quickly. And drain back valve, no problems there. Okay, bypass valve, that looks fine. Male line caps, they're clean also. And I'll put the number of pleats on the screen in case they're different. But there's the glued seam. And the can. So that's got a little, it's got a little carbon like in there, but I think it's all, looks kind of soft looking. Okay, filter number 3. Base plate. Yeah, it all looks pretty clean under there. It looks the cleanest. That's got to be from the, when I was opening up white paint from the can. Yeah, that's what that is. White paint from the can. It slivers off sometimes. That looks good. The drain back valve looks good. Bypass valve. No problem there. End caps, no problem. No excess glue. And let's see the pleats here. I'll put the number of pleats on the screen. Got the glued seam. Yeah, I don't see nothing out of the ordinary. There's no tears or rips or nothing in this filter media itself. So I think it's just going to be what they look like under a microscope. Yeah, so let me cut all 3 of these filters open, stretch them out, and see what they look like. Be right back. Okay, here are all 3 filters stretched out. And these filters are 36.5 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. They all should be about the same. This is number 1, 0.85 millimeters thick. Number 2, 0.93 millimeters thick. And number 3, 0.82 millimeters thick. So they're pretty much all in the same ballpark. You know, a little bit off, but not much. Okay, so here's the filtering side, the back side, if you can see that. Okay, and if we take a look at these guys under a microscope, you're going to see that number 1 is very, very dirty compared to 2 and 3. I mean, 3's the lightest, 2's in the middle, and obviously 1's the darkest. So let's take a look at that picture. So as you can see, number 1 had the most, caught the most carbon particles, carbon, soot. Now let's take a look at these filters up close. So you can see that it's a little darker on number 2 than it is on number 3. Number 1 is really dark. See all the carbon on there. See that? You can see all that, it's all loose. So I would expect it this way also, because I mean, you know, it's going to be cleaning more, so it's going to clean the engine. And the first time the Restore and Protect, first time you use it, it's going to be really cleaning, and then it'll just, you know, get better and better as it goes along. All right, let's take a look at the rest of the filter. Okay, so here we got the center nylon cores. No problem with oil flow there. I got a label 1, 2, 3. And we already went over the gaskets. And let's take a look at these guys' cans. Yeah, see if I can get these with them. Now let me just do them one at a time and go like this. So 1 looks a little bit dirtier than the rest of them, I would say. 2, you know, 3 looks the cleanest. 1 and 2 are pretty close. But so I would say the Valvoline Restore and Protect is doing a pretty good job of cleaning. What do you guys think? And again, I want to thank Lucas and Anna for sending me these 3 used Supertech oil filters. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.